Stop throwing them away. You're about to find out why garlic and onion peels are not trash, but a secret ingredient that's going to change your cooking game forever. Trust me, after today, you'll think twice before tossing these peels out. Gather all those garlic and onion peels into a bowl. Don't worry if you've got different varieties, just toss them in. Next, we're taking these peels and putting them in the oven for 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 390 degrees Fahrenheit for my friends, using Fahrenheit. After those 7 minutes, you're going to see some real magic. Those peels are going to get crispy, like fall apart in your hands crispy. No need to wash them. Trust me, the oven does all the work in eliminating anything unwanted. All right, peels are out, crispy as ever. Now, let's get blending. Toss all those crispy peels into a blender along with 250 grams of salt. And the type of salt doesn't matter. Fine, coarse, whichever one you've got on hand will work great. Start blending until it's all finely powdered. Like, if it's not blending well, feel free to give it a little shake or use a spoon to help. But be careful, we don't want to damage those blades. I want to know, where are you tuning in from today? Drop your city in the comments, and you might just hear a shout out from me in the next video. Today's shout goes to Cherie from Texas. Thanks for tuning in. Once you've got it blended into a fine, powdery consistency, go ahead and store it in a jar. You'll notice the amazing aroma filling up your kitchen. Seriously, it smells so good, like you're already cooking up something incredible. What we've just made is a nutrient-packed, flavorful seasoning that's going to make your meals sing. Imagine you're in the middle of cooking, and you run out of regular garlic or onion. No more panicking, because now you've got this as your secret backup weapon. It's affordable, easy, and super practical. You can season anything with it. Meat, beans, rice, noodles, you name it.